Every time GBA has a press conference, we are always pointing out the violations that the authorities are carrying out. But today we stand here to mourn the death of 25 people because of this illegality. And with the GBA mourns the death of 25 people in the Birch Romeo Lane fire at Arpora, and is doubly anguished at the blatant corruption and criminal collusion of government authorities which made this happen. In a system of flourishing corruption, violations compound and lead quickly to disaster. We demand a judicial inquiry into this whole incident and exemplary punishment. Now, at the root of this is land conversion with active encouragement by the TCP department, which bends all planning rules and regulations. GBA has highlighted many such planning illegalities for the last several years and continues to fight the same with public participation in courts and through advocacy with the government whenever possible. Now, the recent irregularities allowed the construction of a multi-dwelling project in Sankwal referred to as Bhutani project and is further inviting disaster and some under very clear violations. Now, Rebani will give you a gist of the violations that the Bhutani project has done and which will lead to floods, landslide and fire disaster.
But after this fire, we actually thought that we should highlight, first point is that Bhutani had got permissions, a license for construction without any NOCs from the fire department. Secondly, when we talk of road access, we're not talking in the air. Road access of a minimum 10 meters is required for that kind of a setup, a multi-dwelling setup. And why is this? This is because fire tenders and such emergency services have to get access to the place. Now, actually speaking, different documents say it is 6 meters, 7 meters. On the ground, actually, it is about 5 meters or less. So these are two things that are directly a danger when it comes to things like fire. Okay. The other thing is that it is a forest area. It was identified as forest by the Araujo committee. It was mysteriously removed by the review committee and it has been challenged in court. There is no logic or there is no scientific basis on which they keep removing these the forested zones. Now we come to slopes. Slopes actually is the key. Why are we interested in slopes? Because that Sankwal area has actually been identified as one of the most vulnerable areas in Goa as far as landslides are concerned. More than half of this project, as in the land, more than half of this land is much steeper than 25%. Okay, it's not even at 25%, it's something like 28 to 30%. Okay, despite this, they have been given permission. And in court, the Town and Country Planning Department has bent over backwards to favor the developer. How have they done this? When the developer gave in second plans for wrong contours, they fudged the contours and they submitted it in court. The TCP department has accepted it, despite us pointing it out. The other thing is the TCP department has gone ahead and changed the definition of slope. So what is it? They say you take one end, the lowest end of the slope and the highest end of the property, lowest to the highest, and draw a straight line. Is this the way you handle issues like slopes? I mean, for example, if you take the southernmost tip of India and go to the Himalayas, you'll have a very gentle slope, isn't it? So this is absolutely wrong, and this is where we want to point out how the Town and Country Planning Department is is bending over and bending its own rules just to favor certain parties for ease of doing business. By the way, road access has been reduced and they say it's okay if it's 7 meters because of ease of doing business. You tell me, the fire that happened, how many permissions were given because of ease of doing business? Is that how we are supposed to operate? And the last thing is, of course, commercial zoning. It has been zoned as C1, which is only supposed to be given to Central Business District in Panjim. This C1 zoning is not available in the Vasco ODP, and they've given it in a village. It is 200 FAR. So these are some of the critical violations that have happened with the collusion of the Town and Country Planning Department.
So in this matter, we had gone to the High Court, and we are really taken aback that the High Court has not considered the points that we have mentioned, which just now Rebani has mentioned, and so GBA plans to go to the Supreme Court to challenge the order that was given in the Bhutani order.
Just to mention this, the order basically says that because it's the government department, they are experts, so they can do no wrong actually, right?
They say GBA had challenged the technical permissions given on suppressed facts and pointed out the fraudulent doctored contour submissions in the High Court. We are, however, taken aback and disappointed by the judgment, ignoring all evidence of wrongdoing and citing full trust in the wrongdoings of the TCP department. Okay, and the court says it has full trust in the expertise of Town and Country Planning Department as reason enough to dismiss the case in essence, and because government departments are deemed expert, they can do no wrong. Now this is highly questionable. Now when the ODP of Arpara, Nagwa, Kalangut and Kandoli Para went to the High Court, the High Court has stayed this ODP, and the same ODP was passed by the TCP board. So how can you say that we trust the expertise of the TCP Town and Country Planning Department just like that? There have been so many violations where the High Court has come down on the TCP department, and yet in this judgment the judge chose to say that we depend on the expertise of the TCP or rely on the expertise of the TCP department. Yeah, and so yes, as I've said earlier, we will go to the High Court, we'll go to the Supreme Court in this matter.
जे आता आम्ही इशू घेयला अलॉंग विथ गोवा बचाव अभियान, हांव अप्रिशिएट करता गोवा बचाव अभियान सबिना मार्टीन तेगे टिमाक, जेन्ना तेणी लास्ट मिनट आमी केले केस मातशें आनी गोड करपा लागून हायकोर्टान आसली तेन्ना तेणी इंटरव्यून गायली आनी तेणी एक क्रायटेरिया घेयलो, एक पॉयंट घेयलो ऑफ स्लोप, म्हळ्यार दोंगोर तो आपलो सगळें खबर आहा. भुटानी सायट आहा ती आमगेली सांकवाल गांवांत आमच्या, थिंगा एक स्लोप आहा तो दोंगोर, इट इज अ स्टीप स्लोप. आतां आमी जेन्ना कॉन्टूर प्लॅन जो स्लोपाचो ग्रेडियंट जो आहा तो आमी एक वेल नोन आर्किटेक्टा कडेन वचून, मारगांवचो आर्किटेक्ट वचून, प्रायवेट आसतो नो प्रॉब्लम, कित्याक गव्हर्मेंटाक कायदो आसता की इवन इफ सपोज आमी हो कंटूर प्लॅन जो लोकल आर्किटेक्टान प्लॅन केलो आहा, आमची हायकोर्टाची जजान आमकां एटलिस्ट चान्स दिवपाचे, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल्स आसूं, TCP आसूं, PDAचे आसूं, तेंचे ऑफिशियल्सा बरोबर प्लस ही आमची लोकल आर्किटेक्ट तेणें जे कावंटर प्लॅन केलो आहा तेंचे बरोबर टायम दिवपा लागले आमकां आनी स्टडी करपा लागले, ते जावूं ना आमच्या हायकोर्टान. सो हे आमकां लागून ही आमकां जस्टीस मेळूना म्हणून आमी डिसायड केला आमी मुखार सरतले, कित्याक आमकां खबर आहा तूं कोणाकूय व्हर ते सायटीर, भुटानी सायटीर तूं कोणाकूय व्हर, धाकट्या भुरग्यांक पसून व्हर, आनी तूं एकिंचार स्लोप कितलो व्हडलो आहा तो, इट इज क्लियरली सेईंग, आनी आमची जी आर्किटेक्टान क्लियरली दाखयलो आहा की इट इज मोर दॅन 25% ग्रेडियंट. सांगपा म्हणल्यार आमची ही झूज अगेन्स्ट भुटानी इन्फ्रा जी आतां प्रोजेक्ट येता विच इज अरावंड 35,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर लँड तांकां ती फॉरेस्ट केलोली अलिना साल्दाना गव्हर्मेंटान जेन्ना हालोली फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टरान तेणे फॉरेस्ट करून तेणी फॉरेस्ट काडली गव्हर्मेंटान परतून आनी तेणी डायरेक्टली C1 झोन नोटिफिकेशन केलोलें पंचायतीन पंचायत रिजन जी आसता ती आमगेली कशें करून जाली C1 झोन पंचायत म्हणल्यार कितें पंचायतीन C1 झोन आसता कमर्शियल जायना मॅक्झिमम S2 S3 आसता पूण हे इलिगलिटी कशें करून जालें जशें अशें आतांच म्हणलोलें सबीना मार्टीन मॅडमीन की उडुपी दुसरी गांवांनी होल्ड केलोलो ती होल्ड केलो आसतना ही जजमेंट सारकी स्टडी करुना आसतना हायकोर्टान कशें करून दिली की सांगपा जाता नो प्रॉब्लम C1 झोन कन्वर्ट जाला म्हणून तशें करून कशें जावंक शकता ताका लागून आमकां भरपूर क्रायटेरिया जाय आमची जी स्टडी केलो आहा ती तितून कळटा आमकां की लूप होल्स भरपूर आहाय म्हणून जे आतां ही करप्ट गव्हर्मेंट BJP गव्हर्मेंटान कशें करून ती कवर अप करून कशें करून ती प्रेझेंट केला हायकोर्टान त्या हायकोर्टान मातशी एक चूक जाला आसतली ते सारकी स्टडी करुना म्हणून आय फील दे शूड टेकन मोर टायम इफ दे टेकन टायम गिवन द रायट पीपल along with the TCP department, along with the PDA people, officials, joint inspection केलं correct, joint inspection केलं जाल्यार
Technical
ती
inspection.
सगळे क्रायटेरिया भायर सरपाचे ते कवर अप करून लोकांक पिश्याय काडून कित्याक आमी गोंयकार सुसेगाद आमी गोंयकार बाबडे आमी तांकां दिसता आमकां झगडपा जावचें ना म्हणून पूण ते रॉंग आहाय हायकोर्ट बसून रॉंग आहाय एंड वी वील प्रूव इट इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट वी वील गो हेड इन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट आनी आमी कितें तेणी मिस केलो आहा न्हू ते आमी सांगतो हायकोर्टान तुमगे जस्टीस सारकें जायना म्हणून इफ तुमी हे आमकां लोकांक हायकोर्टान बॉम्बे जस्टीस दिवपाक शकना मुखार आनी कितें जातलें आमच्या गोंयकाराचें आमचें सिट्युएशन कितें आसतलें मुखार म्हणल्यार आमकां जस्टीस केन्ना मेळची ना वी आर रिलायंग ऑन जस्टीस आमी बोवाड मागता इवन फॉर रामा काणकोकर जस्टीस मागता आमी फॉर वॉट एवर केसीस जस्टीस मागता आमी आतां आरपोरा पंचायतीक बसून एक व्हडली घटना जालो आहा की केन्ना जावूं ना आमच्या गांवांत आमच्या गोवान अशें करून केन्ना जावूं ना फर्स्ट टायम आमचो येयला अशें करून क्लबान इलिगल क्लब वीच इज बिल्ड ऑन सॉल्ट पेन ते बसून जस्टीस मागता आमी आतां आजून पूण कांय जस्टीस मेळना आमकां पंचायती बसून तो सरपंच वालोर ताका सरपंचाक तेणे हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी आय विश आमची सांकवाल पंचायत आनी बाकी पंचायत तेगे एग्जाम्पल घेवपाचें आनी दाखोवपाचें आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाक की वी वोंट गो अगेन्स्ट करप्शन म्हणून सो वी वील गो अगेन्स्ट करप्शन म्हणून करेक्ट सो आमकां जाय आमचें गोंय सलाल करपाक आनी हे एकू कायदो आमकालो आनी एकू होप आमगे सुप्रीम कोर्ट हांव मागता सगळे गोंयकारां परत गोंयकारांक जशें सबीना मार्टीन म्हणला तिगे टीम गोवा बचाव अभियान 19 तारखे चारांक okay I request you all please come out in large number because it is people's power if High Court of Bombay in Goa cannot give us justice
This is on the
okay cannot give us justice people of Goa can give us justice if people come out it should be a people's movement it is not a Sankwalkar movement or Goa Bachao movement it is a Goa's movement it's people's movement if people come out we can fight against this government आमी एक ग्रुप
The corruption.
yes the corruption also is there so we cannot fight alone आमकां तुमगे सपोर्ट जाय सो मागता सगळे गोंयकारांक आमकां खबर आहा आमी स्टडी केलोली आहा आमी सगळे पॉयंट्स काडलो आहाय सो हांव जाणा विश्वास आहा आमचे देव आहा जाणा आमकां देव साबा करतलो आमकां देव वाचयतलो म्हणून देखून रिक्वेस्ट सगळे गोंयकारांक मातशे भायर सरात आनी आमकां सपोर्ट दियात थँक्यू
ह्या दिसांनी कोमनीदाद थोड्यो कमिटी आसा जे हे म्हजें घर म्हणून ते अशें चमत्कारी एक हे काडल्या स्कीम काडल्या ताजे एन्डोर्समेंट करतात कोण ते आसा डायरेक्टली अंडर दॅट MLA इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर विसिनिटी पंचायती राज एक्ट is not yet devolving powers to the people. This the Panchayat Raj minister cannot see, but he is going one step ahead and giving our ancestral land to the squatters who are squatting there illegally. Talk about the scrap. Scrapyards आसा ते कोण गोंयकाराचे स्क्रॅपयार्ड जास्त ना खबर आसा ते सगळे इल्लिगली वागता they burn plastic chemicals and they dump anything and everything. So in scrapyard also there are no scientific methods of disposing scrap or stacking it up. आम्ही वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटींग 2 वर्सां 3 वर्सां आदी आमी प्रोटेस्ट मारिल्लो बोरोन पुलिसेक सुद्दां कंप्लेन घातिल्ले थंयच आतां तूं उजो परतो पेटलो आनी हे आतां लोकांक कळपाक जाय म्हणजे कितें आतां प्रसंग येयलो उजो पेटलो त्या नंतर एन्क्वायरी कळयतले जाल्यार आमी ही वेगळी वेगळी खाती कित्या खातीर पोसता वॉट वर्क आर दे डुईंग ऑफ एन्श्युअरिंग सेक्युरिटी टू द कॉमन गोवन
तो ताजेर चोरी जाता, ताजेर दाखोयटी जाता, ताका उजो लागता. सवलती कोणाक दिता तुमी? आमचे टॅक्साचे पयशे. यू आर फॅसिलिटेटिंग युअर करप्ट कॉर्पोरेट कोतेरी. I can safely say this because this has been proved in a public hearing. Adani is always right, Ambani is always right. सगळे भांडवलदार सद्दां रायट आनी गोंयचे तीर करा पिसडून. आमची तळी आसा 2 कुडके, शेतां आसा 2 कुडके, दोंगर आसा सपाट, दोंगरच ना. जनावरां, रानां, झाडां तांची कत्तल इतली केल्या ती तांची गणनाच ना. लाखांनी. सी वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड इन मोपा. नाव देर इज अ सिंक होल देर. नोबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. सो दोज केव्स ते 12 जाण त्यांचे आत्मे पळय तळमळटा आनी सांगता. इवन खपरेश्वर वॉट हॅपन. आतां परत कित्याक करता? स्वप्नान येता तो दिसता तुमच्या. एनीवे बट खूब जाळ येता आमकां. कित्येक गोश्टी आसा त्यो मोजपाक लागल्यार आमकां एक 15 मिनटां तरी जावपाक जाय. त्या खातीर येयात आनी समजून घेयात आनी कितें जाता चळवळी पेपरान दैनंदीन येता ताची नोंद करची. शासनानूय बी, कोर्टानूय बी आनी हर एक गोंयकारान आनी जतनाय घेवन आमी आतां जापसालदारकी मागपाक जाय. हे सगळ्या आमदाराची, सगळ्या मंत्र्यांची जबाबदारी खंय आसा हो प्रश्न आसा.
I just want to remind you all of the suo motu writ petition number 3 of 2024, the suo motu petition that was taken by the Goa High Court at
Goa bench
at Goa. Okay, that was a suo motu which the court had taken cognizance of, and orders were passed in 8 categories. Okay, now to neutralize that, the government has come out with this Majagar scheme. So if every order of the court is neutralized by amendments and bringing in new laws, where is the state? Where is the state of law in the state? So this is what we have to see. Every order that is passed by the High Court is neutralized by bringing illegal amendments and legislations also, new legislations. So this is one thing that I request the press to go through this and make an audit of the High Court judgments regarding illegal constructions and how they have been judgments have been subverted by the government by illegal amendments and new legislations.
हे सगळे आतां आमी भोगीत आसात. गेले 12 वर्सां मायज जाली. एक शासन आशिल्लें काँग्रेसीचें तें भायर उडयलें. आमकां आशा जाली आनी बरेचशी गजाली पर्रीकर बाबान आमकां सांगले. इवन ऑन अ पोस्ट कार्ड इफ यू रायट अ ग्रीवन्स आय विल एक्ट ऑन इट, एंड ही डीड इट. बट सेम सर्गेश पर्रीकर सांगून गेलो की TCP खातें बंद करचें पडटलें, इतलें भ्रश्ट आसा. इट इज सो करप्ट दॅट द डिपार्टमेंट विल हॅव टू बी शट. I think the court ought to have taken so much cognizance of a chief minister's utterances that the department is so corrupt. But very mysteriously, it is allowed to function. The courts, time and again, lay people have to come, organizations have to come and take up the grievances which takes so long, and the scoundrel, the scamsters get so much of time. Like how this salt pen has fried our Indian brothers and sisters, and God knows how many Goans. We have our doubts about the number. It could very well be more than 25. कोण गेला आनी कोणे मेजल्या, कोण भाजला आनी कोण उरला तो म्हाका खबर ना. इतलो आतां संशय आयिल्लो आसा कित्याक सबंद भ्रश्टाचाराचे आमचे सरकार जाल्ले आसा. हांगा आशिल्ले ते भ्रश्ट म्हणून तांकां कोर्टान सुद्दां व्हेले. इवन इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट आय एम कोटिंग. People's planning did not happen. Panchayat Raj did not come to the people. And मुख्यमंत्र्यान केन्ना गोंयच्या खातीर आपूण झडटा म्हणून म्हणूंक ना. ताचे हर एक भाशणाक एक व्हडलें प्रसिद्ध वाक्य आसा. श्री प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीच्या नेतृत्वा खाल विकसीत हो कसलो विकास? जाळून उडोवपाचो लोकांक. कित्याक कायदे सगळे मोडिल्ले. TCP, फॉरेस्ट, वॉटर बॉडी, CRG, पंचायत कोण दिता आनी कोण नांव सांगपाक तयार ना. म्हणजे सरकार अशेंच आसा. वी विल ऑर्डर एन्क्वायरी, वी विल फायंड आउट वॉट आर यू गोइंग टू, वॉट गव्हर्मेंट आर यू रनिंग ऑन अ day-to-day basis. You are wasting all our money all these years to tell us this kind of story that you want some other expert, and you are putting all our lives at risk. हर एक गोंयकारान आतां जापसालदारकी घेवपाक जाय, तांच्या सरपंचाची, ताच्या MLA ची, ताच्या मंत्र्यांची. आनी हे सगळे भ्रश्ट आसा. गोंय तुका इतले सामके तुका धास्ती आसा जाल्यार गोंयच्या खातीर तुवें गोंयच्या लोकांक उदक दिनासतना कर्नाटका येदी व्हडली म्हादय दिली. अडानीक सगळे रस्ते पोर्ट आनी सगळें दिलें. आतां कितें उरलां? रातया भितर तुमी विमान देंवोवपा खातीर डांबर घालतात, शेतान शेतकऱ्यांक मारून उडयतात. सो मेनी पीपल आर किल्ड, सो मेनी गोवन्स आर किल्ड, सो मेनी इंडियन्स आर किल्ड. आमकां खूब खंत भोगता की ह्या शासनाक मातूय चर जायना, मातूय दूख लागना. लागिल्लें जाल्यार तो राजिनामो दिता आशिल्लो. VP Singh, Chandrasekhar, I.K. Gujral, these are great ministers who, being the chiefs of the nation, resigned on moral grounds. But this government has no morality. I am very sorry to say that.
Head of the state. So he is responsible, overall responsible for all the departments, and he has to know what is happening in each department. So he cannot say that department is doing or this department is doing. Now, if you look at all the amendments to the TCP Act, okay, the assembly the department is doing, the CM knows about it, no? So whether it was 16B, which was struck down by the court, 17(2), 39A hata, ata building rules teni amend karun, increased FAR, unlimited FAR ani height dila, not restricting to the zone. Okay, zone ek zonak ek FAR asta. There teni restriction dorun आता case to case basis तुझ्यांते अनलिमिटेड FAR आणि हाईट करू शकता. सो हे CMाक सांगनासतना जावचें ना. CM is the head of the state. Yeah, so regional plan इतले करून सुद्धा किती फायदो?
What do you want to say on the Karamboli this thing project is coming, a huge mega project?
See, there are lots of projects coming, and our main issue is the violation. So there is a law, please follow the law. Now all these laws are made based on scientific principles, whether it is a coastal regulation zone, whether you're talking about no development zone, then height and FAR, or particular zones are made for settlement, for industry, for recreation, for educational purpose. Follow the plan. So if you follow the plan, there is better planning and there is progress. Now you see GBA is going to enter, has entered its 20th year, 2 decades now. And 2006 we started the movement, and yes, there was some halt, some checks and balances were there, but now it has, the governance has collapsed completely.
Corruption has increased tenfold.
Yeah.
Tenfold.
There is no cap on
Everywhere.
corruption.
गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल गॅझेट आसा त्या गॅझेटाचेर प्रत्येक एक आठवड्याक जे दिसाक 10 कन्वर्शनां 10 एमेंड येदेच एक सिंगल कॉलमाक हें करून करतात, तेजेर तुका कितें म्हणपाचें?
तेच सांगता आमी न्हू की खंयचे डिपार्टमेंट इतले एक्टीव आहा. इज द TCP टू गझेट जर काडले जाल्यार changes, conversion constantly, and this is the department that is making illegal money. Because if you ask people, okay, you ask people, आपणाची फाईल दिवपाक इतले पयशे घेतले म्हणून सांगता. Due to flooding, due to landslides and fire, because rules are being violated, and to protest these violations, okay, we are giving a call on 19th December, which is Goa Liberation Day. Let us all come to pay homage to our martyrs on that day, and we need to have another liberation movement from all these illegalities and corruption. Besides, we are going to pay our respect to all the people who were victims of these illegalities, the 25 who lost their lives, the known 25 people who lost their lives, and the unknown number of people who were affected by this disaster. So I call upon the people of Goa to assemble here on 19th December at 4:30 p.m. on Goa Liberation Day to pay our respect to the departed, whether it is for the liberation, those who fought for liberation, and also the victims of corruption.
And we request the press, please scrutinize the Town and Country Planning Department. They have a lot to answer for.
And I just want to appreciate in this whole fire tragedy that happened, it was the media which kept the pressure on, and today the authorities are working or are arresting or doing investigation is because the local media, the national media and the international media are covering the news. So you are the fourth pillar, and we hope the media will stand up to protect the lives of people in Goa.